how to archive WhatsApp chat and also what happens if you archive WhatsApp chat. Yeah, firstly I'm gonna show you how it looks like to archive WhatsApp chat, and then I'm gonna tell you what's happening, what's going on when you get up and take that archive on it. Firstly, for example, I will go with the first chat right here, just tap and hold on it, and then simply, if you go on the three dots on your right upper side, the first selection it is archive chat. Tap on that selection, and now as you can see, the chat has been archived. What that means now as you can see the chat, you cannot find it by getting up right here, but if you go on archived, here you can find it on a switch folder. That means that when you get and archive some chat on your WhatsApp, what happens is simply you have a folder on it where you can simply put your chat by archiving you from someone. Yeah, for example this one, and now you know what it is.